Today, we're diving into how you can make money with Medium by writing Medium articles. If you're new to this platform or just curious about monetizing your writing, stick around because we've got a step-by-step guide just for you. Step 1. Create a Medium account. Head over to medium.com and sign up for a free account. It's super easy. Just enter your email or sign up with Google or Facebook. Step 2. Write your first article. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture and select Write a Story. Start drafting your article. Make sure your content is engaging, informative, and well-edited. Quality is key. Step 3. Join the Medium Partner Program. To earn money, you need to be part of the Medium Partner Program. Go to Partner Program in your settings and follow the prompts to apply. It's free, but Medium does have some eligibility requirements, like having a few published stories. Step 4. Publish and promote your article. Once your article is ready, hit Publish. To increase your earnings, share your article on social media and other platforms to drive more traffic. Step 5. Understand how you get paid. Medium pays you based on how much engagement your articles get from Medium members. The more reads, claps, and time spent on your articles, the more you can earn. Payments are made through Stripe, so make sure to set up your account there. And that's it. By following these steps, you're on your way to earning money with Medium. Remember, consistency and quality are crucial for success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.